Welcome back to Uncle Teddy Bear Cooks. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. As I stated in my first episode, I wanted to do local reviews of restaurants and dining holes, basically your little hole-in-the-wall places of things that myself and my family go to. These are not going to be reviews of big chains. We all know what they taste like. These are going to be little spots that you may not have heard of and want to give something different a try. So today I'm going to bring you a hidden gem located in Brandon, Manitoba. It is well known. It's a very popular place. And if you have a craving for authentic Middle Eastern cuisine, you're in for a treat. That's right, I'm talking about Shawarma Queen. So picture this. It's an unassuming restaurant. Yes, they have their signage, just like every other place in town. Unassuming restaurant. Doesn't look like much. It's in a little strip mall. But inside is a treasure trove of delicious flavors and warm hospitality. That's Shawarma Queen. Let's dive in to what makes this place a perfect local favorite. First off, let's talk about the ambiance. Shawarma Queen keeps things simple, but inviting. The decor is modest, with warm lighting, wooden tables. There's a relaxed atmosphere that's perfect for a casual meal, whether it's a snack on the go or to sit down for a quiet dinner. And there's a touch of Middle Eastern charm with colorful paintings, traditional patterns located around. And it's comfortable. It's welcoming, almost as if you're family. Now on to the food. The real star of the show. Shawarma Queen serves up some of the best shawarma you'll find in Brandon. And to be honest with you, I don't know of any other shawarma places. I haven't been around Brandon that long. The chicken shawarma is marinated in a blend of spices that hits all the right notes. Tender, juicy, packed with flavor. If you want beef, they have it. The beef shawarma doesn't disappoint either. It's rich, spice taste, really satisfies. The wraps are a popular choice. Soft, warm pita bread, wrapped around perfectly seasoned meat, fresh veggies, their house-made garlic sauce. And if you're looking for something a bit more substantial, shawarma plates come with fluffy rice, tangy pickles, and a refreshing salad. But that's not all. No. Shawarma Queen also excels in its side dishes. Their hummus is creamy and smooth, ideal for dipping with warm pita bread. And don't skip the falafel. Have the falafel. Falafel is amazing. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. You can tell that they put a lot of care into these dishes. If you've got a sweet tooth as well, Shawarma Queen has you covered. Their baklava is rich, sweet delight with a flaky pastry and a nutty filling. Perfect way to end your meal on a high note. If you don't want baklava, they also have cheesecake and a few other different desserts. Now let's talk about the service. The team at Shawarma Queen, when I was there, was only 2 people. A gentleman and I am assuming his wife. They were friendly, attentive. They were obviously very knowledgeable about the menu and more than happy to offer any recommendations. As when my nieces went up to the counter, they've never had anything like this before, and they asked the gentleman behind the counter, and he was attentive. He responded graciously, And because of that, they made good informed choices and thoroughly enjoyed their meal. Because, just as it should be, whether you're a first-time visitor or a regular, you'll find that the staff genuinely cares about your dining experience. As for value, they do hit the mark. The prices are reasonable, especially given the generous portions that you get and the high quality of food. Like, I had the large chicken shawarma, and I couldn't even get through a quarter of it. I had to wrap it back up and take it home and have the next day for lunch. It's a place where you can enjoy a delicious meal without breaking the bank. Now, of course, with inflation and everything, prices are up there more than what you probably want to see. But hey, that's the way it goes nowadays. Nothing is cheap, unfortunately. So, Shawarma Queen, located in Brandon, Manitoba, at 2430, that is 2430 Victoria Ave in Brandon, Manitoba. They're always accommodating. They're good. It's a hidden gem that delivers authentic Middle Eastern flavors with a side of great service and value. Whether you're a shawarma enthusiast or just looking to try something new, this place is definitely worth a visit. So that's it for now. Not a long episode, but a review. I think we're going to start calling this Taste of the Town. See where it goes from there. Thanks for tuning in, Uncle Teddy Bear Cooks. I'm Uncle Teddy Bear. If you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your fellow food lovers. Until next time, keep exploring and keep tasting.